Hello everyone and welcome to the SynthAI tutorial. My name is Eyal and I'm an application engineer at Siemens Digital Industries. In this video, I will demonstrate SynthAI, a web-based Siemens application that you can use to generate synthetic data and train machine learning models for various use cases. During the following tutorial, you will learn how to train an object detection machine learning model using SynthAI, as well as how to fine-tune, test, and deploy the trained model. Let's start. First, you need to log in with an email address and password. The login is to your Siemens account. If you haven't created one yet, now is the time to do it. Click on the Create New Account link. Upon logging in, you will see all your previous projects. On this page, you can view the projects you've trained in the past and see the progress of the ones that are currently in training. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Next, upload a CAD file that represents the object that you would like to train the model on. The CAD file should be of the OBJ wavefront format. If yours is of another type, you can convert it to OBJ using any kind of CAD conversion tool. For example, you can use Siemens NX or Solid Edge. After the OBJ is uploaded, we'll be able to see a 3D preview of the model. Now all that remains is to choose the desired type of training and start the training session. Keep in mind that during this training, we will focus on the object detection task, so we will select object detection. Basically, object detection is the task of identifying every single instance of an object within the image and marking it with a bounding rectangle. And finally, click on Start Training. In the next tutorial, we will see how to view the training results, download the synthetic dataset, and trained model. Thank you for watching and stay tuned!